Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making pizza. Preheat your oven to 475 degrees. You will need 1 package of ready-made pizza dough, 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, 1 package of pepperoni, 2 cups of mozzarella cheese, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 3 teaspoons of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 6 ounces of water, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Generously brush your pan with olive oil, then set it aside until later. In a bowl, combine your water and tomato paste. Now add the brown sugar, Parmesan cheese, and garlic. Add the salt, pepper, basil, oregano, onion powder, and red pepper flakes, then whisk until well combined. Add the flour to a clean surface, then roll your dough. Now form your dough to your pan. Now using a ladle, add your sauce. Now add the cheese and pepperoni. Transfer it to the preheated oven and allow it to cook for 8 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, your pizza is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. A soulful cooking class, you will learn to grab.